उन्होंने ₹5,000 बोरो किया in 1978 to start a business. आज उसके पास है many verticals ranging from leather exports to real estate to future economic SEZ zones. खूब मेहनत, खूब hard work, determination and drive defines our guest this week, Mr. Snehdeep Agarwal, founder of the Bhartiya Group. So आइए चलिए, let's catch up with him in his spectacular Gurgaon office. Hello, मैं हूं नीवा जैन. Welcome to Zee Business and welcome to another episode, riveting episode of The Big Idea. Mr. Snehdeep Agarwal, such a pleasure to have you on The Big Idea. आपकी स्टोरी सुन के, आपके एम्प्लॉइज के साथ बातचीत करके मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग टाइम.
शुक्रिया, थैंक यू.
अच्छा, हमें बताइए मिस्टर अग्रवाल, आपने 1978 में अपने फादर से ₹5,000 बोरो किया टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस. क्या बिजनेस था उस वक्त?
So my father was in a business where he was importing dry food, spices. He was a second generation business person.
अच्छा, और अमृतसर में आपने?
Amritsar, yeah. So it was for me. That was, I could have joined him, but then I would have gone to an office which was at my father, and I thought, you know, there's something more adventurous to do in life. There's something to explore. So I went to my father and I said, I have this friend of mine, and we want to go into business together, and I need your So I need your support, and he said yes. So he said yes. He said sure. He supported, and he said, so I said I need ₹5,000. As paid up capital.
Correct. और आप दोनों 5,000
मेरा share.
अच्छा, और उनका share
and my friend's father actually would not trust him, so I had to go and tell that story to his father and convince his father to give also 5,000. So we started like that. It was fun.
Oh my God.
It was fun, and but I must say that it's not about money that I got from my father, but all that I am today is because of two things: because of the values that he instilled, and because of his support. So I have no hesitation in saying, if it was not because of my father's support, I would not be anywhere successful in anything.
You know, it's so interesting, Mr. Agarwal. जितने लोगों हमने इंटरव्यू किया है, whatever background they're from, I mean, obviously, what you have achieved today in your business is probably not what your father had when you were growing up. But the credit is always given to the father. कि जो भी बन गया है, it's because of the father.
Yeah, so I think
और क्या बिजनेस शुरू किया था उस वक्त?
So उस टाइम हम लोगों ने hand knotted carpets बनाने शुरू किए, and Amritsar used to be one center.
और hand knotted वो क्या होता है?
Hand knotted, these are handmade carpets knotted, and these are not tufted. These are like the Persian carpet.
Oh yes.
Made on a handloom. So Amritsar used to be a traditional center for carpets.
Okay.
And that
तो आपने सोचा ये बिजनेस?
Yeah.
So,
and we made it firm, and we put this ₹10,000 together. And then obviously we didn't have money. So when you talk about father, so one day I was actually very, we had to make a first trip abroad and go and set up appointments and things. And then I was very uneasy and in my house, and my father said, "What's wrong with you?" I said, "We didn't have money for the ticket." Right? And he said, so he quietly looked at me, and he quietly went into a little store. He used to keep some cash there. And he asked me first how much, and I told him, but the ticket was 11,000.
Can you imagine?
And another about 6,000.
Yeah, रहने के लिए, जिंदा होने के लिए.
So he came and gave me that cash, and he said, "Go." And I went to my partner and said, "Now we are in business again."
Wow.
So these are things, it's not about money, it's about that support and that.
The story.
Yeah.
Okay, so you started with carpets. Exports.
So exports. So we got into a business which was exports, right?
That time partner के साथ.
That was exports.
Okay.
And exports used to be one business, right? Because people started to export. And you were called these exporters, right? And you were exporting carpets or apparel or
whatever
garments.
Product. Correct.
So this is a category. I mean, this is peculiar to India. Everybody said exports, an exporter.
And us waqt it was not so commonplace at all.
So this was booming, coming
up.
The
new business.
It was traditional hota tha yaar trading or manufacturing. But you produced or manufactured for export. And you had this exclusive 100% export.
Correct.
So that actually... I look back, we became one of the largest companies in carpets very quickly.
Oh, you did that well in the
10 years.
Kaise hua? So share with us, kaise hua? How did you manage?
If I look back, sheer hard work and perseverance. perseverance, and you know, you were
वही
all
दोनों
the-
ingredients.
Yeah, hard work and commitment. You know, you used to travel, you used to worry, you used to be after what you did, and it was, I must say, nothing else. There is no such thing as enterprise or anything. It was
Good,
hard
honest.
work, hard work.
Sheer hard work.
Hard
और आपके
work.
partner भी इतने.
But some kind of paranoia to succeed. You know, you
So
have to be
had
paranoid.
that. So the word is paranoia. You had
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
मुझे बनना है कुछ.
Yeah, everybody tells you I'm a little eccentric that way in paranoia, because you have to commit, and once you commit, you then go, and then you be after this. So probably that and hard work.
So 10
and-
साल में बहुत ऊंचा पहुंच गया था आपके
Yeah.
carpet business.
And then we realized that this is not an industry which keeps growing. It's a traditional industry, and this was Persian carpets. And Chinese had made Persian carpet industry as if it was made on the machine, right? And they did mass production.
Mass production.
Yeah,
China's
China,
mass production.
because they were labor and they were huge
Okay.
factories.
Cheap labor, cheap.
Yeah,
this.
yeah. So this
So it became
this-
too competitive.
It came, yeah, and you were at a saturation level, and you had Persian dealers sitting in Hamburg who had huge pile up of stocks, and they sold from stocks. So then there was this urge. Then what do you do? And then we found somebody who he said, let's. So there is this thing about leather sports and shoes, you know, just to tell you.
Yeah, leather.
And we made a little workshop, and I shifted to Delhi and with this place, and we made a little
उस वक्त
workshop.
आप अमृतसर में थे.
हाँ, अमृतसर से हम लोग दिल्ली आ गए, because you see that time Punjab had serious problems
अच्छा.
in mid 80s and onwards.
हाँ, इंदिरा गांधी के time
Yeah,
पे,
big
correct.
problems, and customers could not travel to Punjab. They had to take a special permit. You know, foreigners could not visit. So for that reason, we had to create an
Wow.
office here, and because we created an office, we created a new company. And so then we decided, yeah, this is time, and we have to get into something which will grow. Because if you don't grow, then what do you
There's
do?
no
is
point. Yeah,
points.
carpet business की
Yeah,
जैसे
so it was not like, and this, if this was the mindset, then I would stayed with my father, right? You would be happy, and you make some money, and you come home.
But you had the paranoia. You had the paranoia.
So we went, and so we got into this. We created a little workshop of shoes, and it's a very interesting incident.
Okay.
And I used to travel for selling carpets, and somebody gave me these samples of shoe uppers. And I used to have
Leather
an
shoe uppers.
Yeah. So I had exclusive agent in Vienna.
Okay.
So मैंने उसको बोला, now we are getting into shoe business. And he said, okay. So he set up an appointment with the shoe importer. So I'm storytelling, right? I had no experience of shoes, so I carried these samples. I remember I took a train from Vienna to this little town. I landed up, and I went for this meeting. And this man started to ask me, हाँ जूते बताइए, right? And shoes, and I showed him samples and some photographs. And he asked me 2-3 questions. And suddenly I said, now I'm caught. I said, listen, this is my first ever trip.
You were
I
honest.
don't know this business. Somebody's given me these samples. You like something? So he liked what I said. He said,
He
okay.
liked what you said.
He said, at least you're
yeah.
honest,
Mr.
you know.
Agarwal, exactly.
He said you're honest.
Honesty.
But when I
Oh
came
my
back
God.
and I said, yeah, look, this is technical. We have to get into this business very seriously. That means we have to learn the shoe business.
Yeah. You told your partner.
Yeah.
अपने partner.
Yeah,
वही partner था
Yeah.
जब शुरू किया.
Yeah. When I got shoe business, you see, that time we had taken on a girl to help us with this business, and she was the one who was setting up
The
this
liaison
workshop.
between.
Yeah.
Mr. Agarwal, we have to take a break, but I want to come back and finish discussing that. But एक छोटा सा break लेंगे पड़ेगा. Folks, break time. Please don't go away. When we come back, we'll continue our conversations with Mr. Snedeep Agarwal, founder of the Bhartia Group. Back again as we continue our conversations with Mr. Snedeep Agarwal, founder of the Bhartia Group. So, आप बोल रहे थे, Mr. Agarwal, you had one lady employee who was the
Yeah,
liaison.
she joined us, and she was the one who was initiating this business. And I came back and told her. So she said, okay, shoes is difficult, then let me do leather apparel.
Oh,
So she brought in 2 tailors and set up a workshop, and that was easy, right? There was no technical issues.
Yeah.
And on the second trip, again by storytelling, I said I will get this business. So we started to sell. And in about 7 years, again, we became the largest company in India. 97, 98, we became the largest company in India in this sector. And this was the time when we were growing, and we said, we are from here. One of the things that we did right, you see, export business is like factories, manufacturing, production.
हाँ जी.
So customers come in, give you design,
and you just
say
have to duplicate it.
You make it. From day one, when we got into leather apparel, we hired a Swiss designer, and this was a Swiss retailer, and one brother was a designer, and he said, "I want to do collections." So we said, "We'll do collections for you, provided you let us use these collections with other customers."
So you brought in a state-of-the-art person rather than a local Indian person.
Yeah. So we brought in a designer. And instead of waiting for customers to give us, options and packages and whatever, we would take collections, customer-specific collections, and go and present them.
Okay.
So customers said, "This is interesting. Nobody does this."
Your first customer?
Yeah, India was an importer in Vienna, in Austria.
Okay.
So he tested it with 60 garments, right? I remember. So it was interesting, but then slowly it grew.
60 sold, all 60 sold.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
So
और आज आपके पास कौन-कौन से customers
Today
हैं? Because
we-
blue chip.
Yeah, today
Designers.
we have about 60 all international world retailers, brands I would say.
Yeah,
Like
which one?
From Armani to Hugo Boss to Zara to Mango to Sardi to Levi's to All Saints. And
Wow.
so you name it, we are every single brand in the world. If is doing leather apparel, now accessories,
What all in accessories? क्या?
bags, wallets, belts,
Sky's
small
the
leather
limit.
goods. Yeah. So we are today one of India's largest companies in these two sectors. And
The toughest
then
moment when
Yeah.
you were building the brand.
the toughest moment, there is no such one tough moment.
Okay.
And this is a series of life of moments, right?
Yeah.
And every moment, you see, you are having fun simultaneously, and every moment is tough on the other side.
Challenge.
And beyond a point, you see the first 10, 15, 20 years is tough. And then you start to have fun, because if there's no challenge, there's no life, right?
Wow.
So you need to grow.
Beautiful.
So we set up, eventually then we set up a company in Milan, in Florence,
Right.
set up a design studio. We were probably the first company from India who took this step.
To do that, yeah.
Because we thought there are two ways we can add value to business. Chinese do it by efficiency. And India doesn't have that scale, right?
Okay.
So until you have that kind of scale and the whole environment supports that kind of efficiency,
Right.
you will not be able to compete with them on efficiencies on factories. So how do you do? So we said use design as a tool to create value, right? So you can actually use design as a tool to create value out of thin air. And
The
customers-
creative aspect of it all, yeah.
Design, ultimately perception is value in fashion world, right? Everywhere actually, not only
And you think
fashion.
you're at the top of your game today in the fashion world?
Yeah, we are very evolved company. Intellectual capital,
बहुत
design,
सारे awards भी जीता मिला
design.
है.
Yeah, the awards
Government ने भी इतने सारे
are
awards
nice
दिए.
because at least for my teams,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
feel very, very happy.
I must add in, Mr. Agarwal, आप team बोल रहे हो. So I was sitting with your team members before the interview with you, and it's a feeling of pride as a fellow Indian to hear the way all these young people were speaking of you, speaking of the work ethics in the Bhartiya group, like, it's stimulating to work. I think that's interesting how you made sure that was down pat.
So you are as good as the last member in your team.
Yeah.
This is what you must remember. And if your team is not inspired, you cannot do anything. One of the greatest strengths of Bhartiya as a group or a company, that we have very, very motivated people who take it as their own company.
Yeah.
They're not
that's
employees
what
here.
I felt. That's what
There are very few people who, if you go and say, they don't feel like an employee, they feel like an owner, right?
Amazing.
So this sense that it's my business, it's my company, this is actually my motivation today.
Amazing.
For example, from the fashion business, now I take a very little salary, right?
Okay.
From the fashion business. So my salary is not revised now for the last 10 years or so.
Wow.
But it's okay. But the greatest motivation for me is to see this growing and all these people growing and happy and proud, right?
Good energy in the work.
Yeah, we've just had a senior, so we have 3 divisions in the fashion business, the textile apparel now, accessories and leather apparel. And we have now 3
textile
heads.
apparel bhi aa gaya.
Yeah, so there are 3 heads.
And the same brands here.
And we have 3 heads.
Okay.
3 heads as chief operating officers on these 3 businesses. And we have got American CEO, on top of them. And so they
and he lives here? Or
he lives here.
That's
he's in this office.
fascinating.
He's in this office.
American CEO?
Yeah, you see, it's all about markets. It's all about business. You see, there is a system of working and creating an organization.
Right.
So we found this person not just because he's American. He was great in creating organization. So the organization of next level.
Wow.
You know, how would you review businesses? How would you review performances? How would you reach out to customers? How would you reach at which level? So he is supporting today Bhartiya not just to reach to buyers in the brands, but he's taking Bhartiya to the top level, to the ownership as partners, as supply chain partners.
Correct.
So that. So we were talking about people as my team. So we recently had a change of a head of our leather apparel division. And she is one of the best managers this country has. So she joined and now she has been traveling meeting customers. So this morning she calls me and she said, it's so exciting that our whole offering to customers and how much they want to work with us. So we have 60 active customers and 30 more, you know, knocking on our door.
Unbelievable.
So every brand, you know, the new brands, the more settled brands, and if they all come to the company, they get excited. So people
and they're satisfied.
And
happy,
when I talk about my team,
correct.
So they are proud.
Yeah.
That, look, this company has
the feeling of pride. And then what is even more fascinating, I think, in your empires, जैसे आपने real estate business में अभी शुरू किया, but we do have to take another break. I want to get into that because from apparel you've gone to the total opposite spectrum of real estate. But एक छोटा सा break लेना पड़ेगा. Folks, break time. Please don't go away. ब्रेक के बाद फिर से आपका स्वागत है as we continue our conversations with Mr. Snehdeep Agarwal, founder of the Bhartiya Group. Mr. Agarwal, हमारे साथ शेयर कर लीजिए ये भारतीया सिटी जो है बैंगलोर में, ये कैसे हुआ? It's just phenomenal.
Yeah,
I mean,
so Bhartiya city, I used to travel. I'm traveling 35 years around the world. And whenever I went, I saw towns and cities. And when I look back where I was born, in the city of Amritsar, I used to walk to my father's office. 7 minutes walk.
Correct.
Very nice public area, pavement, cycle track. Outside my house, I learned how to cycle. But as you see now, our urban infrastructure, and we can't cycle. If I have to walk, I need to go to New York maybe. Nice pavement, right?
True.
Or I have to drive in a car to a park.
Correct.
So there is no pavement, there is no cycling, there is no nothing.
That's the vision behind.
So we said, let's do a city, right? And then everybody said, this development business is different from the fashion business. Well, I said, I don't know. I don't think so. I think it is all about people. You see, construction is not development. People think construction, and then people think land owning is development. So all landowners are developers. It's not so. Then every broker said, if he is the developer, I'm bringing land together, then I'm also a developer. Actually, development is a very, very serious business. It's more about people and how their lives are. It's like a social science.
Correct.
And if you look at the fashion business, it is same. It is how people will evolve, how they will live their lives, how they will respond, and
that's exactly the ethos you just adopted
exactly.
with Bhartiya City.
And we said we have never done development, and we will build this city.
Tough था initially.
Tough
जो
था,
dream था आपके,
tough इसलिए था,
और reality होना.
Tough इसलिए था कि this was for the first time. So the architects said, what are you talking? We know the best.
To conceptualize.
The master planners, and I had to learn the business myself. I had to walk. I probably in the last 5 years, 6 years, I walked 100 architects, master planners, urban planners. I have to understand what is planning, what is master plan, and how does it respond to the economic, viability of something in this country. So it's not that, and people thought luxury. Luxury is like expensive stone, and this thing is luxury. So you had to tell people that luxury is not this. Luxury is a way of life. And as the world is moving, this is going to change. 1.2 billion people. And if 1.2 billion people are kept away, and they think that they cannot touch luxury, then what is this luxury about?
The point? Yeah, very
this is
well
not
stated.
luxury. Armani said, I designed.
So you wanted luxury to be affordable.
It's not affordability or anything. It's about how many people can touch little parts of luxury. If my cook, if he goes to a shanty to live at night, then he will bring a little bit of shanty home, right? When he comes to my house. So how does he live? We talk about Switzerland. So a chef in Switzerland lives the same life in many ways as the billionaire in Switzerland. Yeah. So how is that society able to experience a way of
दूसरी
luxury?
concept है, दूसरी-
Yeah, luxury क्या है?
हाँ.
So Bhartiya City is all about reaching out to everyone and experiencing a quality of life.
Life, yeah.
It's about experiencing a quality of life. How you can walk, how you can
Futuristic,
cycle, how you can go to a park.
और बहुत दूर भी नहीं है, खाली 10 किलोमीटर है from MG Road in Bangalore,
Yes,
which
and
is the main
we
hub.
are within the Mahapalika of Bangalore. So people have loved it, and as we brought this concept to market, and people loved it, and it's all about people. And in this city, we have also brought in a home, first time in India, which we are branding, and we're calling it Niku brand. You know, Niku Home.
Nico Homes, yes.
So Niku Home, and people ask me, what is this? So I said, a brand is something, and when you brand a home, there are some attributes to that brand. The brand stands for
Particular
something.
stamp.
Otherwise, it is a commodity. And otherwise, people say, all right, what home? What is the square foot price? As if you buy your car. I ask them, do you buy a car per square inch?
Yeah,
Now, why do you ask me home per square foot?
Yeah.
So everybody thinks that it's a commodity. It is not. Home is, if home cannot be a commodity. So starting from these principles, he said we will create a home product where a young student and a billionaire can all experience
The same.
Yeah. So if
The
you look
same
at
luxury, the same
so
quality.
if you look at iPad, if you look at an iPad,
Yeah.
a student uses an iPad,
Yes,
and the
yes.
richest man,
What a great metaphor.
yeah, richest man uses an iPad, and they're both delighted. So the rich man becomes a childlike, and the young man becomes,
Wow.
aspirational. So it's creating products. As the world will move on, it will be not LIG, MIG, and HIG.
Yeah.
It has to be one world, and a world which people will, where more and more people can respond.
Wow.
Yeah, and then the world will change. Then the world will become a better place. It's not making casts.
I wonder.
In a way we say LIG.
अच्छा, tell me, जब आपने last but not the very least to end this phenomenal episode, जब आपने 5,000 रुपये अपने father से borrow किया, आपने कभी ऐसे सोचा था कि you would create this empire, with a global footprint all over?
You see, I don't know if but there was this very strong aspiration in the heart,
There was, yeah.
and there was something to challenge myself. It was just I would challenge.
Carpets to leather, now to real estate.
Yeah, so to challenge myself
Yeah.
and to do more and to do better.
Wow.
And to create, last thing is to create an institution. So if it can go on without me,
Correct.
that will be the greatest achievement.
Oh, Mr. Agarwal,
So if you have created an institution,
Yeah.
that's the desire now.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal. It's been such a pleasure and so inspiring.
Thank you.
We wish you all the best of luck with Bhartiya City, and may it just go way beyond everyone's dreams and hopes and expectations.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For you folks out there, work hard, dream big, and just go out and conquer the world. अगले हफ्ते फिर मुलाकात करेंगे. Until then, मैं हूँ नीवा जैन. God bless.